Here we go. Here we go. I'm videoing today. I'm on a roll today. Here's one for you. Here's one with that eyewitness. Here's one for you. Now here's for the excuse for all you people with an excuse. With an excuse, yes, a style. Here's one for you. I witnessed a trucker loading a flatbed with flip-flops on. That's a DOT violation. Guess what happened? Guess what happened? He ended up breaking his fucking foot. Now he want compensation from the trucking company because he broke his motherfucking foot loading a flatbed with flip-flops on. Guess what? I'm not going to name the company. Guess what happened? Guess what happened? They paid him. They paid him and then they fired him. And they put that right on his dad. They fired him. They said, we're gonna pay you, but your services are no longer required.